So over here you can see that I got three images right here, one with high intensity, one with mid intensity right here, and one with low intensity, just like this. So these type of image is required if you want to create an SDR. And over here you can see that I got high tone, which shows the details of the dark areas right here, mid tone, which shows the mid tone details, and let's say dark image, which shows the details of the bright areas like sky right here. So now in order to turn it into SDR right here, I can select the first image right here, hold shift and select the last right here, and right click right here. So over here you can see that you can go around over here onto photo merge, and here you can see that SDR is an option. You can alternatively also go to photo right here, just like this, and then go to photo merge, and here you can see that SDR is an option. So now once you select these three images and then select SDR, it will auto align and auto merge these images out to create high dynamic range image, as you can see right here. So there's the deghost amount right here, which is none. You can go for lower deghost right here, as you can see right here, and it builds a preview right here, just like this. It analyzes out the image and then removes the ghosting right here. So you can also go ahead and select high deghost right here as well, so that the picture, the end result, is much more higher quality right here. And then once you you're happy, you can go ahead and merge it. You can also go ahead and disable the auto align. So right now what is happening is that it auto aligns the image that you have. You can enable and disable it, and then also disable the settings if you don't want to, but I'm going to enable all the settings and then go ahead and hit merge right here, just like this. So now what happens is that it goes ahead and it says creating SDR, as you can see over here on the top, and it uses these three images to create a very high definition SDR image. So you can see that this is what you have. And now if I were to go to the develop module, you can see that there's high level of detail in this particular image right here. And then as with any other images, now I can go ahead and then work around with different editings as I need right here. You can see that this is what you have right here, just like this. You can work around with the highlights right here. You can work around with the shadows as well, just like this. Work around with whites right here. Get more detail out of it, just like that. And that is how you can utilize the Merge to SDR feature inside of Adobe Lightroom Classic. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.